Hello, Ross Johnson from Creek Truck Center, Racine in Franksville, Wisconsin. You're looking at a 2025 VNR Volvo day cab. The truck has got 455 horsepower with a D13 engine and a 12-speed I-shift transmission. The rear axle ratio is a 2.64, and it also has blind monitoring on the right side, and also has adaptive cruise built into the truck. Bridgestone tires all the way around. It does have drum and true brakes on both the rear and also on the steer axle. Nice truck, in stock. We have several of them just like this. A little bit different on the rear. It's got the rear tail lights with the pintle hitch, also backup alarm, that all factory installed. Glacier white is the color. And again, if you want to test drive or see the truck in person, contact me, Ross Johnson, with Volvo New Truck Sales at Creek Truck Center, 262-822-5571. Thanks. Bye.